Today, we will talk about creating APA-style dissertation template. In this course, we will use the textbook of Publication Manual of American Psychological Association. In the whole course, we will contain 6 steps. The first one is download base template. Second, overview and formatting paragraphs. Third, creating styles. Fourth, building a table of content. Fifth, building a list of tables. Sixth, building a list of figures. Now, let's start from the first step, downloading the base template. Firstly, open your Safari browser and type the address like this. And then click Enter in your keyboard, and you will see the format template 2007 is already in your downloads. Step 2. Overview and formatting. In the template, we will see the current format in this document, and then click the Show or Non-Printing Characters in the upper menu, and we will see all the styles. We also see that the document contains many paragraph breaks. Paragraph breaks, also called hard return. Our dissertation paper will also use soft returns. What's the difference? Hard return creates a paragraph break and signals to start of new paragraph. Soft returns are signals a line break but not a full paragraph break. Step 2.1. Creating chapters. In the creating chapter, we will contain 5 contents. First, introduction. Second, literature review. Third, methodology. Fourth, result. Fifth, conclusion. Go to the page 11 and to the chapter 1. Delete the characters until you get to the chapter 1 number, and create soft return and tap Introduction. And click Enter. Go to the Insert menu, take break, click Page Break, and you will automatically be taken to the next page. And you will see page break here. Step 3. Creating styles. Step 3.1. Hiding one style. Back to our documents. We will see the style banner in the up of our documents. And click the Show or Head toolbox to launch the Style Manager. In the List drop-down menu, select All Styles, so we will see all of the styles in our documents. Find Heading 1, click drop-down menu to modify style. Set style based on no style. Set the font style as Times New Roman. Set the font as size 12. Set the font weight to bold. Set the paragraph to the middle. Set the space to the double space. And click the Format Paragraph. Ensure all the space is to the 0. All the line spacing set to double. Click OK and click OK. Then we will have modified the hiding one. Now we will apply the modified style to our documents. Highlight the Chapter 1 Introduction. Click Heading 1, and all the change will be applied. Now, let's apply to this modified style to all our documents headings. From the abstract part, click Heading 1. All the letters will be uppercase. And remember, the table of contents will not apply the Heading 1 style. List of tables, list of figures, list of abbreviations, and also apply to all the chapters you created just now. Chapter 2 Literature Review, Chapter 3 Methodology, Chapter 4 Results, Chapter 5 Conclusion. Step 3.2 Heading 2 Style. To create the Heading 2 style, click on the Heading 2 drop-down menu, select Modify Style, set the style based on No Style. Set the font style as Times New Roman and font size to 12 and font weight to bold and color to automatically or black. The space is double space. Click the Format paragraph. Be sure all the special spacing set to 0 and the line space set to double. Click OK. And then we will try our setting. Tap Example. Highlight the sample sentence. Click Heading 2. The style has been modified. Step 3.3 Heading 3 Style. Now we will create the Heading 3 style. Click on Heading 3 drop-down menu, select Modify Style, set the style based on No Style. Select the font family like Times New Roman, font size as 12, font weight to bold. The color will be automatic or black. Set the paragraph to the left and space to double space. Click the Format paragraph. Set the line spacing to double. Set spacing to 0. Except this time, set the left indentation to 0.5. Click OK. Then test the sample test. Highlight the sample test. Click on Heading 3. You will see the change is already applied. Step 3.4 Normal Style. Now let's creating the normal style. Find the normal style in the Style Manager. Click the drop-in down menu, click on the Modify Style, set the font families Times New Roman, font size to 12, font weight to normal, and font color as automatic or black. In the spacing, set to double space. Click the format, select the paragraph. Be sure all the spacing set to 0, line spacing to double, and special, select first line and by 0.5. Click OK. Click OK. And here we will try. Highlight the test, sample test. Click on normal and you will see the change has been applied. Step 3.5 Reference Style. The formatter template does not contain reference part, so we will create reference style. Here is the heading 1 style for the reference heading. And then click the new style. Create a new style. The name, click the reference. And the style tab should be paragraph. Style based on no style. Set the font family as Times New Roman, font size set to 12, and sans weight set to normal. The color should be automatic or black. The text should on the left, and the spacing should be double. Also, click the Format paragraph. All the space should be 0, line spacing should be double. In the space special, select Hanging and should be done by 0.5. Click OK. And remember, be sure the cursor should be to the left. And then paste the sample test, highlight the test, click on the reference style, and the style has been applied. Step 3.6 Caption. Now let's create the table format. Insert from the Table button, insert a table, set the number of the columns and rows. Click OK. Front of the result and set the cursor to the left. Then click Insert, select Caption. Now click OK. After you click the OK, you will find the caption style in the Style Manager. Click the drop-in down menu, select Modify Style, the style based on no style, the font size to 12, font weight to normal. The color should be automatic or black. The spacing should be double. Select Format and Paragraph. Make sure all the spacing should be 0. The lining spacing should be double. Click OK. Highlight the figure, title, and click caption. Also, our table needs a name. Click Soft Return. Write down, tap the figure's name, the table's name. And the table heading should be italic. So click italic. After the table, we will create a figure. Go to the page of Chapter 3 Methodology. Insert a photo. Pictures from. Select a picture. Resize the picture is in the middle of the document, of the page. Go to the Insert, select Caption. The label, select Figure. Click OK to apply. And also the figure needs a heading. Go to click the caption, but the figure should be italic. Step 4. Building a table of contents. Finally, we will do the table of contents. In our templates, there are already a table of contents format example. We will delete them and select all the start point to the left. Click the document elements. There are already table of contents showed. Click Option. Select Format from Template. Click Modified. Select Highlight the Table of Contents 1. Click Modified. The style based on should set to No Style. The font font should set to Times New Roman. The font weight should be normal. The color should be automatic and black. Text should be left, and the space should be double. Also, go to the format to the paragraph. All the special measurements should be set to 0. Line spacing should be double. Click OK to confirm. Then select Table of Contents 2. Click Modify. Style based on No Style. And font family size Times New Roman. The size set to 12. The weight should be normal, and the color should be automatic and black. Text should be left, and the space should be double. Click the format, select paragraph. The spacing measure should be 0, but this time the indentation should be set to 0.5. Click OK to confirm. Select Table of Contents 3. Click Modified. Style based on No Style. And the font should be Times New Roman. Size should be 12. Weight should be normal, and color should be automatic or black. Text should be to the left, and the space should be double. Still click the Format and Paragraph. This time, the indentation should be set to 1, and the line spacing should be double. Click OK to confirm. And the Word will automatically ask you if you want to replace the selection Table of Contents. Click Yes. And also to remember, all the abstract dedication acknowledgement should be set title case. And sometimes the system will automatically set the off to the upper as well. We should modify it manually. Step 5. Building a list of tables. Finally, we will modify the list of tables. In our template, there are already a list of tables sample, and we should delete it. Then we should make sure all the paragraph markers set to the left, and then select the Insert, move to the Index and Tables. Here we will see Table of Figures. Select the caption label to Table and select Modify. Select Modified again. Set the style based on No Style. The font size to Times New Roman, and the size to 12, weight to normal, color to automatic and black, and text should be left, and the space should be double. Select the format to the paragraph. All the special spacing should be set to 0, and the line spacing should set be double. Click OK to confirm. Now, we will already get the list of tables. But in the list, we can't have our heading has be italicized. So go to the Home. Step 6. Building a list of figures. Now, let's create the list of figures. Delete the current list of figures. Set the paragraph marker to the left. Go to the Insert, select Index and Tables. Select the caption of the figures. Select Modify and click Modify again. The style based on should be set to No Style, and the font size to Times New Roman, the size size to 12, and the weight size to normal. The color is also automatic and black. Text should be on the left, and the space should be double. And go to the paragraph. Make sure all the special variables should be set to 0, and the line spacing set be double. Click OK to confirm. And the list of figures automatically generated. And also, in the list, the figure 1 shouldn't be italic. Select the figure 1 and click italic, and you create the list of figures.